So, premium messed up, guys. Well, I messed up. But pretty much what happened was we finished the whole car up in a matter of less than 4 or 5 days. And last thing to do was the bumper. Everything looked good out in the sun. Unfortunately, the customer noticed some things that we didn't catch. Let me walk you through what actually happened. It was kind of on this area right here. When we were wrapping it, I possibly maybe overstretched it just a little bit or probably heated up too much. And it kind of made like this little glossy area finish like right here. We could put a picture in there, right, Hefe?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. You guys can see the photo. And you know, we'll own up to our mistakes, and that's what makes us a little bit different than other wrap shops is when we screw up, no questions asked, we fix it. So I hope you guys enjoy the full wrap video, and let's get into it.
Bam! What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I have the brand new Trackhawk behind me. First time I've seen this thing in person. Got to drive it into the shop. I think it's badass. If you guys haven't had a chance to be in one of these, they're dope. Probably the ultimate SUV. As always, we removed all of the trimming. We got the taillights off. We got the handles off. Got the plate off. I know I see some of you rappers trying to wrap around the plate. Don't do that. Also, we got the fender flares off, door handles, window trims. The side skirts will be coming off. I think we'll also be unbolting the fenders. If you look here, these Dodges are very, very close in panel, so they almost rub, which is alarming because by the time you feed some material from this side and that side, they're gonna be pretty butt up, pretty close. So what I wanna do here is I wanna pull this fender back, and from the quarter panel, I wanna bring the material back down in this area, just so we have as maximum coverage. All right, day number 2 on the Trackhawk. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to yesterday. I had a little family emergency, so I had to bounce out. But today we're full staff. So far we have the passenger side doors done. We have one side on the driver's side. So I'm gonna continue working my way forward, working on the front door and the fenders and the hood. Try to get all that done, and then later on when David finishes up with the Tesla he has going on back there, we'll knock the quarter panels out. You know what I did? Wow. Damn, Hefe works, bro. What? Wow. What, bro? Wow. All the people on YouTube were like, yeah, fucking Hefe's the shit. But he don't work. He just struggling.
Oh, why you look tired? Why you look out of breath? Do I get this too or no?
Yeah, get it. No shit. Get it, bro. Hey, while you're at it, get that shit off your lip too.
Oh. Wait, you can see my herpes? your ass.
God damn.
We're gonna tint the windows on Monday, so we need to get certain things done first. So you guys saw earlier, we had the window trims removed, we had the door handles done, are taken off. Now they're wrapped and put back on. We're trying to finish up this whole center section first. So when the tinters come in on Monday, they got everything they need. Door panels will be put back on. But by then, you and I should be done. Quarter panels will be done today. Hood will be done today. Fenders will be done today. We just got bumpers left, baby.
How late you trying to stay?
I'm trying to swing that sword tonight. Let's show these motherfuckers what we can do. Ah! You need to do the sound.
I'm not doing that.
Whatever.
I don't know how late you're trying to stay, but I mean, I gotta go home.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
You're acting like you have a life.
What up, guys? It's David. We are probably on our last day wrapping this car, so we don't have too much left. We just have to do the roof right here. We have to do the top of the deck lid, and then I think that's pretty much it.
I'm just checking out this reflector.
Yeah,
We're probably gonna do an overlay on
doing
it.
some product stuff, that's all.
Yeah.
Ugh.
It's a good.
Get my squats
All right,
in.
we'll see you later.
All right, let's go.
What else do you have to do, man?
Oh yeah, I totally forgot. We gotta do these side skirts. Probably my least favorite thing to wrap, just because I don't like to be on the ground.
We try to be on the ground all night. So I want to apologize ahead of time. Right now, I did miss some things getting wrapped. I'm pretty sure you guys noticed in the
It
video.
never works. That's why he's never here. He's never here.
Wow. Anyways, the Tesla was like 90 gigs of footage. So as you can see, pretty much we could do a walk around real quick. A lot of this is done. I think I did capture a lot of this side. The roof's still not done. The bumper, the front bumper is done. I don't think the rear bumper is done.
Yeah,
Christian, the bumper's already done? Yo, man, I missed all that. I'm sorry. Christian's working on some overlays. And then these little things that are, I don't know what those are called, but they need to go back, get wrapped and go on.
Oh, the little fender.
Yeah, so let's get to work.
I am gonna use this knifeless tape called Tri-Line. And the reason why I want to use this is because the car's white, and if I just cut along this edge right here, I don't know if you guys can see. If I cut along this edge right here, there's more chances of me showing white. So if I use this one right here, and I pull the top string, because this is like 3 knifeless tapes. So if I pull the top string, then I'll have a little bit more material, so I could just tuck in there a little bit better, and it decreases the chances of it showing white.
We all know how good you are at tucking things.
Smacking asses on video last night.
What you talking about?
You didn't watch the vlog.
Oh,
You got a good smack on Anthony, bro, and everybody's commenting on it.
Just in case you guys are wondering, it's not a step.
Oh my God, David, you're cutting on the car.
Oh my God, you're so
God.
pissed that someone said that, huh?
Yeah.
Let them know we're pros, bro. You got it. Look at this. Look, I won't even put any music right now. Let's look at the fine cut.
No, don't even.
Hey Jack, David's cutting on the car, bro.
I trust him.
Good job. Oh wait, it looks good, Papa. Even though you cut on the paint.
Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
That was horrible. What are you doing next?
Oh, fucking no.
Oh my God.
Alright guys, so we just finished up the last piece on the Trackhawk. We don't know if he's gonna pick up today.
He was supposed to pick up today.
He's supposed to pick up today, but unfortunately maybe he just got busy or whatever the case may be. On Sunday, he's probably gonna come by. It may not be filmed, but just go ahead and make sure to check out the cinematics on this car.
I'ma go straight up, jet like Evercut. Made a boy shut up, soft like buttercup. I know some dudes that gon' roll with us. My money flowing like air with us. Put a little price in your head like babe. You can get shot like said, I'm a drift off. Fucking your bitch in your bed for that shit talk. You just a pop boy, I ain't a big dog. You just a bitch, this shit factual. Hey, how I talk, I ain't tripping, I'm casual. Dribble the play like D-ball, D-roll. You can get shot in your pico. I keep it chopping, it's still like 3 I wake up trapping for A and the PM. You pay on start with a gym. I'm a young boss of the city. Came a long way from the credit. Bitty tea like a teacup. Dripping that water, no bleeding. My top ceiling, Selena. I'm at the top, no bleeding.
All right, guys. So I'm assuming I don't work on Sundays. I don't work Sundays. I'm pretty sure Daniel's the only one gonna be here. So the pickup will not be filmed. We apologize, but we hope you like the car. If you guys want those overlays, check out our website. Do not forget, every 100,000 subscribers, we give away a car wrap to anyone, to anywhere in the world. So don't forget to subscribe. Drop some love. Don't forget to like. And we'll see you guys next time.
Let them know about my Instagram.
Okay, and then don't forget to follow Heavy and Modified.
No,
Anthony.